As India battles a rising number of COVID-19 cases, several have been advised to recover at home. Many of them may need concentrated oxygen to fight coronavirus. As a result, there is a spike in demand for oxygen concentrators. The challenge is to choose the right oxygen concentrators because there are many in the market, and to make matters worse, there are several sellers trying to fool people, not just overcharge them but also sell them subpar equipment. So what's a good oxygen concentrators and what are steps that you need to keep in mind? The things you need to keep in mind while buying an oxygen concentrator, extremely important. Number one, portability. There are two types of oxygen concentrators available in the market. Portability is key. A home oxygen concentrator and a portable oxygen concentrator. Capacity. Very, very important to know the capacity of your oxygen concentrators. The home oxygen concentrators are available in 5 liters, 8 liters and 10 liters capacity. The 5-liter oxygen concentrator, perhaps the bare minimum for most patients who require support at home. It's better to opt for an 8 or 10-liter one if it's available and you can afford it. Oxygen concentration levels, again, extremely significant. Perhaps the most important thing buyers need to understand and keep in mind is that every oxygen concentrator has different oxygen concentration levels. It would be best if you ideally opted for an oxygen concentrator that can deliver, very important, around 93% oxygen concentration. Another thing to note is that machines with variable concentration, so that is something that the sellers may try to tell you that it's between 30% and 90%. Don't go for that one. Go for the one that gives you about 90% oxygen concentration plus minus 3% for O2 flow. Once again, let us repeat, there are many who are trying to sell humidifiers as oxygen concentrators. Be very careful of scammers while buying a concentrator. Buy one from a reputed company, a reputed store that also gives you service backup.